Hello everybody, Tamer Radwan again from TLP Group. I would like to discuss together about Kase filters, which you have seen in my Instagram and my Facebook, some reviews. I would like at the beginning to announce that I become an ambassador for those filters, Kase company here in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ajman. And anyone from Arab countries could approach me from Lebanon, from Egypt, from Syria, from Jordan, Morocco, Tunisia, anywhere. All photographers can approach me directly. I will leave my email address and my phone number, and I will be happy to assist you anytime. Today I have for you guys Kase K9 holder with CPL 100. Also I have for you the Magic Magnet for 2470 10 stops, and I have also for you this one filter, square filter Kase. Hope you enjoy guys my reviews. Let's see outdoor what I did for Kase filters. So this is that one called 77 KW magnet. This the one is attaching direct to the lens. I mean, it's a new system. I like it. It's good packaging, guys. You can see Kase, you can see also that number, and for sure the manual comes together. So let's open together. Oh, it's good packaging, guys. You see how it looks like. I really like it, and you see it's easy. I mentioned here also the 77 for the 2470. For sure they have other sizes. Let's see. For sure we need to remove the cap from the lens. Then I think it's easy to apply. Just squeeze like this. It's quite magnet, guys, because it's changing the gauge. So you just need to be patient and totally doing. And now it's okay. Now we can, I think you can see. Let's see the results if we take a photo of more stops. For the system. Okay, we're going to remove this one system, guys, and then gently, I just forgot to inform you that this magnet is this here attached to the lens, and this one is just only magnet. So you could change if you have another grade. This, you can see the brand. I hope it's clear with you, and it's really nice quality, finishing, everything. Doesn't look Chinese, guys. They do perfect job in this one. Now we're going to check the manister of Kase K100 system. It's really nice, guys. Packaging and everything looks good. Let's open together and show guys how looks like and how to set up and install in our camera. I want to show you how the packaging goes. Here's the packaging, and then it's removed. This is the system here. Comes with a glass of filter, and of course here we have the other adapters. Here we have the other adapters, guys, which is like 82, 77. We have other sizes for smaller lens cap or something, and those adjustable for the lenses. Let's see how to apply. For sure, this one starts by scroll here. That will release 77. That one is already removed. So what we should do here is to apply this one, yeah, together. So after we apply this one direct to the camera, I think you can see, guys, how it looks like. So the next step is to put the filter 10 stops. Yes, forgive me guys, because here the temperature is almost 45 degrees in Dubai and I'm really suffering. I don't want to shoot nighttime, so I'm choosing here this one that we have informed you about before. This is the packaging, really how it's nice. It's genuine leather, they mention also. So this is the filter, the square one. I really appreciate the Kase company, because we have appreciating also the photographers and you know the value of the market. So let's see how we remove filter from here. It's totally dark, you can see anything, and here we can apply the filter. We just put it in the right way. We're showing the Kase. I hope you see, guys. Here I think you see much better. So this is the way. Here we adjust, and here if there is a magnetic, the other one, we adjust the gauge. So here can be up, down, like this. Let's see how we shoot by this one and come back again. We are using here in 30 seconds 4.0. So let's see the result, guys. You have to be patient, takes a little bit time. So let's see the result. Wow, it has freeze some. Let's zoom into the camera. Here, as you see here, we freeze the water. It's good for the long exposure. About the sun, you should change the settings so we can get a darker and get the motion of the clouds. I hope, guys, you enjoy. I'm gonna show you later some other results of the photos. And here it's noisy and really it's super duper hot, temperature 45 degrees. So thank you so much. I'm really sweat and perspire. Thank you so much. See you.